Hi, my name is Dr Simon Bignell. I'm going to talk you through theory of mind. Now there are several different resources we've got available for you in this particular section, but we'll follow those up in the workshop, so you have plenty of opportunity to revise and go over material that you've prepared in advance for deeply understanding what exactly theory of mind is and the general concept, as well as some of the empirical and research background and evidence that supports it. So what I want you to understand really by the end of your independent study and the activities we've got planned for you is to be able to describe and evaluate research on theory of mind development. Basically to get a grasp of what theory of mind is in the context of research, to be able to describe and evaluate theories of theory of mind development, and to be able to compare and contrast these theories around the general concept and in light of the subsequent empirical research. And there's a long history of it, stretching way back from about the 1950s onwards. Also to be aware of the issue of stage-like versus continuous development in the context of theory of mind as well. So according to early research by Lewis and Mitchell, having a theory of mind means having the ability to make inferences about others' representational states and therefore to predict behaviour because of that. So we can see theory of mind as having a big evolutionary benefit to us. So over the course of an audio lecture that I'm going to give to you, supported by a transcription of it and various PowerPoint slides that I'll make available to you as well, I want to describe exactly what theory of mind is and the development really of theory of mind in terms of the evidence from some early empirical work, mainly the false belief tasks. Also, I want to briefly examine theory of mind deficit in autism, which is one of the earlier theories that was explanatory in a causal sense of some of the symptoms of autism or autistic disorder. I want to offer you some traditional explanations of this, and I'll cover briefly the representational deficit theory and some other theoretical background to it, but also some empirical challenges to these false belief tasks, and especially to the representational deficit theory. Now, you don't have to understand all of this immediately. What's best probably is you build up your knowledge around the challenges to the different theoretical explanations. A good way of doing that is by watching some of the recommended videos that I've posted up on Blackboard for you. So really, I want you to focus in on the big questions then surrounding theory of mind. So is the development of theory of mind, as I said, continuous or discontinuous? What are the different theories of development of theory of mind, and what methods have been used to assess theory of mind? What does the research into theory of mind actually tell us about it? Are there other explanations that perhaps we can put forward, more common sense explanations that we might prefer to go to rather than a deep theoretical explanation? And does the research support these theories? So I hope you enjoy reading around the subject and following up this reading and this exploration in the workshop that follows.